Hello, Susie here again with another haul. This time with Damsel in Defense. I've gotten back into it again and I'm so excited. So I have two boxes here. One is from the back office, stuff that only damsels can get, and then the other is what is available to customers. So let's get into it. In case you don't know, Damsel in Defense is a personal protection company specializing in, what is this? Is this my invoice? All right, so these are regular customer products. Oh my goodness, how cute! The Safe Hearts lunch pail. Safe Hearts, the Heart Defender lunch pail in puzzle pack, 48 pieces. How adorable. It does come in blue. Always be a heart defender. These kids are the heart defenders for the Safe Hearts. Check out some of the other Safe Hearts products available. safehearts.damselindefense.net. There's the Proactive Parent Guide. I believe I have one. My friends knew, oh, these are just some of the books available. I wish I knew more to tell you right off the bat, but if you are interested in learning more, consider subscribing because I have done videos in the past on this, and I'll link those down below if you're interested in checking those out. And I will be doing more in the future. Since I am a Damsel Pro again, I'm excited to get back in. I do have the Proactive Parent Guide here that I'd gotten before. I believe there's a newer version of it that I will need to get. SAFE stands for Sharing Awareness for Family Empowerment. So I got a few of the books, the Safe Heart books. I do already have one, A Secret Gift for Grace. These books are amazing tools to start conversations with kids about sensitive subjects, a grooming conversation. Then I just got I'll Start Dugout Dreams, a coercion conversation. I'm so sorry about the glare. Then we have Julian's Solo Voyage, a buddy system conversation. And they tell little stories and examples of situations and help the kids in the books find ways out of those uncomfortable situations. And then we have Madison's Big Brother, a Say No conversation. I believe there are at least 10 different books. I now have 4, and there are a couple Spanish versions of a couple of the books. And then we have a Damsel in Defense Holler Hers personal alarm keychain. And at the push of a button, it will set off an alarm. I believe there's also a flashlight on the end. So I'm going to give this to my daughter to have. My daughter Winnie, she's going to be 10 next month. And I'm going to let her have this for her keychain. And so if she's ever in a situation that she needs to get people's attention, she'll have this. An alarm and flashlight. 120 decibel alarm, keychain adaptable, light emitting diode, LED flashlight. Switch activates continuous alarm. Directions on back. Alright. If you attack, I'm going to fight you like a man so I won't be screaming like a girl. I'll let my LED flashlight keychain use its 120 decibel lungs to do that for me. That for my younger daughter. And then for Charlie, my 16-year-old, I got this. This is the Pearl of Wisdom necklace whistle. And there is another one, I forget what it's called. It's in the shape of a leaf, and I believe that one is silver. This one is for my 16-year-old. And then we have the army bands. I got 2 in this print and then 1 in this other floral print. The army band right there. And it's got some grippies on the inside, so when you put it on your arm, it won't move. And then it's got a few pockets. One right there, and then there, and over on the side. Then I have 2 in this other print, and I will be giving 1 to my Charlie. And that is it of this box. Now we are going to get into the back end box. Oh yeah. Okay, so I got some Safe Hearts flashlights for my 2 younger boys, Kiko and Kanai. So I got these Safe Hearts little flashlights for my 2 younger boys. They take 3 AAA batteries, and they have a little keychain attachment. Then we have, this bag contains #GirlBossMagic, Damsel in Defense. I love it. Oh my goodness. I also got this Live Simple, Laugh Often, Love Damsel journal. Then we have this dry erase board. Got this little board, Hustle and Grace, Damsel in Defense. So it comes with a pen and a magnet to stick on the back. There you go. And then I got the Damsel in Defense 2020 Spring and Summer Edition catalog. And it's got so many of the other products inside. I mean, you get the idea of what a catalog is. And then we have the 2020 Annual Lookbook. I'm gonna set these over here. Then we have the Ultimate Personal Protection flyers for the pepper sprays. Protected pepper with shield technology. It's a pack of flyers. Then we have this poster of the Warrior Creed. This is my life. My life is valuable and worth the fight. Those who are with me deserve to be protected by me as well. Denial doesn't make me safe. In fact, denial has negative side effects and will cause me to be unprepared and ineffective. Personal safety is my responsibility. I will make this investment in my life because my life is worth the fight. Damsel in Defense. And then we have an inspirational poster pack. 8 posters included. Shall we take a look? They're in a variety of sizes. A place of purpose for those passionate about prevention and the protection of people and their hearts. So that's the big one. Then we have a couple small ones. #Damsel for Life. Love the hustle. It was all worth it to the one. Our lives begin to end the day we decide to do nothing. Martin Luther King Jr. And then we have some middle-sized ones. Shine bright like a diamond. God doesn't call the qualified, he qualifies the called. You intended to harm me, but God intended it for good, to accomplish what is now being done, the saving of many lives. Genesis 50:20. And that is what I got on the back end side. So that is my Damsel in Defense haul. I'm excited to get back into it. So yeah, if you'd like to follow along with my damsel endeavors, among other things, feel free to subscribe and stay tuned. Until next time, don't forget to smile. Thanks for watching.